What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some sweet potato French fries, and you're saying to yourself, Black Owl, sweet potato fries? That's something I've heard of before. Yes, you have, because it's become very popular as of late. And you're saying, Black Owl, what you doing what's popular now? No, shit, you know me, buddy. I'm not doing that shit. What I'm doing is using these, because these were a gift from my good friend Becky. Becky got these out of her garden. She got a big old bunch of them, and she said, I want you to have some of them too. So I want to thank her for sharing the sweet potatoes. Now, first thing that we got to do, we're going to make some sweet potato fries. Got to get them cleaned up, buddy. Got to get them ready for date night. They're going out there in style. So we want to just kind of go ahead and take these over and wash them off first of all, because they came straight out the dirt like E40. And you got to wash that dirt off of there. That's how they grow. So let's wash the dirt off. We get them back over here. And you kind of just cut some of the ugly off and, you know, the ends and stuff from where it grew. And any eyes that you might see. You might have some eyes peeking out at you. So you might cut those off. Save those. You can make new potatoes. This is a thing that you can do. I might teach you that sometime. But we ain't got time for that shit now. So we got to go. Now, we get our potatoes. We got them cut. And mine, I'm going to do something I never do. And you say, what, Black Owl? I'm not going to say that. But I'm going to peel. And Black Owl, you never peel. Well, I want to peel this. And I feel like it's the right thing to do. Now, I'm going to be using my daddy's peeler. So I feel like I should have some Andy Griffith on in here. I might turn some on in a minute. So let's go ahead and take daddy's peeler and peel. And we're not going to get all of this skin off, but you'll get a lot of it off of there. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And then I want you to start cutting, sir. And you can cut as thick or as thin as you want. Me, I'm going to go medium just because these things are going to be a little tough to cook. And we'll get into that in a minute. So go ahead and cut these to size. Get them right. Get them nice. Then we're going to get some boiling water. And you're saying to yourself, like, what? Boiling water? Yeah, just listen to what I'm going to do. We're going to take these and we're going to parboil them. And that's a term my brother used one time. We was making some beans and I was doing something like that. And he said, oh, you're going to parboil them? And I said, who the hell are you, Payne Stewart? Now, we're going to go ahead and put these potatoes down in some boiling water. And that's going to help us get them, get them down, because these things are tough like Schwarzenegger. They are just good. I mean, good and sturdy, good and goody, and goody-goody. So go ahead and boil them, because that's going to help them get soft. Now, once we get them boiled, and it won't take long, don't run down to the corner and be playing pinball with your quarters. Get your butt back here and watch, because I only want them in there for about, 3 or 4 minutes or so. Now, once you get done to boil, we're going to go to the fry. You get yourself some Earl over here, and get it hot to trot and make it smell so good. So we're going to get that oil, we're going to get it hot to trot, and then let's put our fries in. Big Daddy. Now, I'm going to use a little seasoning on mine, just some salt and pepper, just for flavor, and not too much, and just make it good. So, leave it in there and let it fry, flip it, take you about 15 minutes or so. Then, when it's done, oh my God, we're going to have some fun. We're going to have sight, and we're going to have a bite of these delicioso sweet potato fries tonight, me boy. Oh! Alright, buddy, the time has come. My sweet potato fries are done. I'm having that first big bite for myself, boy. Ooh. And I'm ready to have it. Now that is a fry, my good man. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and a little salt and pepper flavor. It's a damn good fry, my friend. A damn good fry. And that sweet potato really gives it that good flavor, that sweet flavor. So I want to thank all of you sweeties for stopping by to watch another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, if you'll excuse, got to have me some more of these fries, because they're damn good. Don't need no dipping sauce even. Good on its own, sir. So, yeah, that's how we're going to do it.